What are you doing? What's wrong?
I'm just missing my mum today.
I think we need to go for a walk.
Nah, I'm fine.
You know what kōrero would say? Tama tū, tama ora.
Tama noho, tama mati.
Exactly. Stand up, you live.
Sit down, you die.
Come on. Are you feeling better now?
I am, actually. I always find that even if I don't want to go for a walk, after about 10 minutes, once my blood's pumping around, my mood completely changes.
You used to cry a lot about your mum, but now, not so much.
I've actually started seeing a counsellor once a week, just to help me work through my stuff.
But I thought only kids worry about stuff.
No way. Adults worry about stuff all the time. That's why it's great talking to a counsellor.
So, are you my counsellor then? Because you always help me when I'm sad.
Maybe I am. You think I'm a good counsellor?
Obviously. Look at me.